Hello, welcome to the Xiaomi Bebird M9 Pro. This is a thingo that has a camera on it, and you can put it where you, in your ear and look at, yep. Okay, so let's connect this to the Wi-Fi. So we go in. Okay, let me press start. Whoa, okay, it doesn't normally look like that. That's new. That is really new. Normally it looks like it's in color. Let's just try and redo that. Don't know what happened there. There we go. So we're now connected to the Bebird M9 Pro, and we're just going to have a look in the ear, my ear. Now just a warning, this will look festy, so just a warning. We're going in. When I first tried this, it was terrifying. It still is kind of terrifying. So yeah, you'll get there though. Just want to get a good position where I'm not going to like stab myself. And here we go, we're going in. Almost there. Not looking as bad as I expected. When I first did this, it was festy. It's like feces everywhere. Who knows what else is in there. Going in hot. So we've got something in there. Let's have a look around. Ooh. Let's go for round two. Oh yeah. That's what we're looking for. Let's give you a better look here. I'm not gonna go right in, because like it doesn't look like it's blocked. So that's pretty clear. That's good. Not bad. Like this stuff around here, just have a look at here. Smell that out. Oh. Right up in there. Ah, lost it. It's gonna be stuck in there now. Let's have a look. That stupid thing out of the way. Yeah, it's up there somewhere. Oh, what's that? I think that's pretty good. We got enough from that side. A fair bit of wax. Let's go for left ear. Left ear is hard. Yeah, I think that'll do for left ear. Got a little bit out, but didn't look too clogged up. So let's just leave it at that. When I first did this, it was like you couldn't even see down the ear. It was just that full. So I got a big as mother load of earwax out. Pretty fun, you can put it wherever. I checked up my nose with it. Let's have a look at what else it comes with actually. You have these little attachments. So they kind of just clip off and you can clean them. And you've got this little base station here, which you can put it in there and that charges it. And you can actually, let's take that out, you can unscrew this. You got these attachments that you can put on there. I actually don't really know what you'd use half of these for. Pretty much the most useful one is the one that it comes with. But if you want, you can put this funny looking, hairy looking thing on there and go for gold. Otherwise, you got this other mushroom looking thing, which, yeah, you could do stuff with that. And build quality is quite nice, very solid metal. Quite happy with this. I was like, wow, I did not expect such a high-end piece of kit. Let's put that back there. So when you put this in here, it will actually disconnect like so. And then you have to open up, it'll turn off pretty much. And you open it back up and you can connect to its Wi-Fi again. And that's how you use it. Now, you probably don't really need one of these. I sort of just bought one because I felt like it. And I felt like looking in my ear to see what was there. You won't be disappointed. This thing is pretty relaxing actually. You just sort of sit there and go looking around and see what you find. So that's the Xiaomi Bebird M9 Pro. They have others that I don't know if they're good or not, but this one's pretty good. It costs money. You can get it online. Enjoy.